Not everyone can do business. Here is how to make money anyways. My name is Taiwo Adeyanju and welcome to Moment with T. And on this page, we talk about everything money, marriage, business, life in general. Let's have this honest conversation today. Everywhere you turn to, you hear, start a business, be your own boss, quit your job. Entrepreneurship is the only way to wealth. Is that really true? Well, let me tell you something today. Something very powerful. Not everyone is wired to run a business, and that is perfectly okay. That doesn't mean something is wrong with you. Some people don't just like risk. Some people don't just like uncertainty. Some people don't want to chase customers. Some people don't want financial stability. See, that does not mean you are destined to be poor. So today, I'm going to show you realistic ways you can make money even if you are not a business person. 1. High income skills. It's important to learn an high income skill, especially if you know you want to make money. 2. Employment with strategy. 3. Investing your money well, which is investment. 4. Asset building. Entrepreneurs is just one of the parts to make money, but there are several other parts to make money. Let's look into high income skills. If you don't want to run a business, then become extremely valuable that people cannot do without you. Instead of selling a product, sell a skill. People pay for skills, and you start doing your mathematics from there. How many people can I sell my skill to make a certain amount I intend to make per day, per month, per week, or yearly? Examples of high income skills you can learn: digital marketing, data analysis, UI/UX design, video editing, software development, copywriting, cyber security, project management. You don't need to open an office for any of this, which means you don't need to spend a lot. You don't need inventory. You don't even need the capital to start. You just need that skills. In today's world, you can even work remotely for international companies, even for freelance platforms or contracts. Your skill becomes your ATM, and the more valuable your skill is, the more you earn. Another point is this: get a job. Be strategic. There is nothing wrong with being employed. You just have to use the salary as a tool. The problem of being employed without growth: if you have a job, upgrade your qualification, take certification, ask for promotions, make companies far better than the way you met them, negotiate your salary. People stay in the same position for 5 to 10 years without increasing their values, and that is why these companies may not be able to pay them well. Employment is powerful if you treat it like a ladder, not a cage. Some of the wealthiest people built capital from employment before investing. Your job can fund your wealth journey. Your salary is a tool in your hands, and where you put it is more important, and that is why we are looking at the next point, which is investing. Invest your money and let your money work for you even while you are sleeping. If you can't run a business, let your money run for you. Instead of stressing about customers, invest in companies that already have these customers. They already have the platform, they have the structures, and they know how to turn your money around. Investment options you can put your money into: 1. Money market fund, mutual funds, stocks, treasury bills, real estate investment, or trust, which is REITs. Start small, be consistent, reinvest even your gain, and reinvest your capital, and you still get returns. Wealth is not built by how much you earn, it is built by how much you keep and grow. Even if you earn a salary, you can still build your wealth through disciplined investing. And that takes me to number 5. Build assets, not just income. Income pays the bill, assets builds the wealth. You can actually be financially rich, but you might not be wealthy. The difference is this: someone who is wealthy has a lot of assets that brings in income for them. If business is not for you, focus on acquiring assets such as rental properties, Airbnb, halls, hotels. Dividend-paying stocks could actually be the next. Agricultural investments, digital products, intellectual property such as ebook. An asset puts money into your pocket consistently. You don't have to be loud. You don't have to be flashy. You just need assets. Some mistake some people make is buying liabilities instead of building assets. Liabilities can come in form of cars or in things you don't really need. That takes me to number 6, master financial discipline. Let me say this very boldly. Many people don't have an income problem, they have a discipline problem. If you earn 300,000 and you spend the same 300,000, you are going to be broke. If you earn 150,000 and you invest 30,000 consistently, you will realize that you build your wealth. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Stop competing. Save before you even spend a dime. Invest before you upgrade your phone. If you cannot afford something 3 times, you have no business buying it. Wealth is quiet, but poverty is loud. You don't need to be an entrepreneur to succeed. You just need the right information, discipline, strategic moves, and you are good to go. If business is not your path, that is fine. Choose another path, but choose intentionally. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll be here for the next video.